Hello everyone, my name is Zabi. Today I am going to teach class 11th English, book snapshot, chapter 5, the Browning version. This chapter is written by Terence Rattigan. Students, those who did not subscribe our YouTube channel, please subscribe and press bell icon for the notifications. Students, stay home, stay safe. Now, first of all, I will tell you the meaning of Browning version. The title Browning version is the first direct reference to the fact that the text is an adaptation of Agamemnon's tragedy written by Aeschylus. It means that the text is an adaptation by Robert Browning of the original. Students, now first of all I will tell you the introduction of this chapter. This is a play which highlights the attitude of teenage student towards his teacher. His comments are shocking because they are very close to the reality. He imitates the voice of Mr. Crocker Harris. He opens up when other science teacher encourages him to do so. Now students, I will tell you the characters of this story. First character, Mr. Crocker Harris, was a very strict teacher and disciplined teacher also. Mr. Frank. Mr. Frank is a science teacher. Next character, Tableau. Tableau is a student. And fourth character, Millie. Millie is the wife of Mr. Crocker Harris. Now students, I will tell you the moral of this story. Moral of this chapter, the Browning version, is to present the relationship between a student and a teacher. Tableau, the boy, asked to stay for extra work. Why his teacher, Mr. Crocker Harris? Now students, I will tell you the summary of this chapter. The Browning version. Actually, the small play is an excerpt from the Terence Rattigan's The Browning version. The scene is set in a school. Tableau is a boy of 16. He has come on the last day of the term because his Latin teacher, Mr. Crocker Harris, asked him to do extra work. As a farmer, he was absent for a day. Mr. Crocker Harris has not arrived yet. Tableau is found waiting by Frank, a science teacher. Both get into a discussion about Mr. Crocker Harris. Frank finds Tableau waiting. He inquires if Tableau is a student of science. Tableau replies in negative. Tableau informs him that he is waiting Mr. Crocker Harris to give him his result. Frank gets surprised. He admits that the headmaster announces the result on the last day, but that is no criterion. Tableau says that he is only Mr. Crocker Harris who abides by this rule. He doesn't tell them the result like the other masters. Frank asks Tableau whether he would pursue science if he gets a favorable result. Tableau is elated by the thought. He says he is extremely interested in science. Moreover, he would not have to read muck like the Agamemnons. Frank is a bit astonished at the thought of Tableau about the Agamemnon. Now the discussion start about Mr. Crocker Harris. Frank thinks that the Tableau sound a little bitter, as he was captain. Tableau informs him that he is there for extra work. Frank is more than surprised to hear that Tableau is doing extra work on the last day. Tableau informs him that he had missed a day of school. Frank tries to calm him by telling that he would certainly get his result the next day for being a good boy. Now, Tableau's criticism of his teacher. The day before, Tableau had asked his result. He tells Frank about the scene that happened. He started imitating Mr. Crocker Harris' voice. Mr. Crocker had told him that he had given Tableau what he deserved, no less, no more. Tableau is afraid that Mr. Crocker Harris would have rather marked him down for doing extra work. Frank encourages Tableau to do the imitation once again. Frank tells Tableau that he envies Mr. Crocker because all the students are scared. Now, thus revealed the personality of Mr. Crocker Harris. Tableau tells Frank that Mr. Crocker Harris is not a sadist like one or two teachers at the school. Frank is shocked to hear this and feels that the school are detracting. Tableau mocks Mr. Crocker Harris by saying that it would have been better if he were a sadist, as it would mean he had some feelings. He feels that Mr. Crocker Harris is all shriveled up and hates people like him. Tableau finds it funny that, in spite of all crankiness, he somehow likes Mr. Crocker Harris. Tableau recalls an incident when Mr. Crocker Harris made one of his classical jokes. It was in Latin, so nobody laughed. Out of sheer courtesy, Tableau laughed at the joke. This proved to be a bad move by Tableau. Mr. Crocker Harris complimented him by saying that Tableau's Latin had improved secretly. Mr. Crocker Harris then asked Tableau to explain the joke to the whole class. Now, in this story, Millie brings relief to Tableau. Millie is the wife of Mr. Crocker Harris. Is a thin woman in her late 30s. She is smartly dressed, unlike the other schoolmaster's wife. She gets in unnoticed. Mr. Frank and Tableau were still imitating Mr. Crocker Harris when Frank noticed her and broke off suddenly. The Tableau gets frantic and asks Frank if Millie could have heard their conversation. Frank thinks that she did. Tableau fears that if she tells anything to Mr. Crocker Harris, then he will get a bad result surely. Millie asks Tableau if he was waiting for her husband. She further informs him that her husband is very busy at the verses and might get late. She asks him to leave. Tableau is doubtful and says Mr. Crocker Harris had particularly asked him to come. She advises him to run away for a quarter of an hour. Tableau is scared and asks, what if Mr. Crocker Harris comes back? Millie gives him a relief by saying that she will take the blame. She gives him a prescription and sends him to the chemist. Now, students, I will read few questions and answer them also. So try to listen very carefully. First question. Comment on the attitude shown by the Tableau towards Crocker Harris. According to Tableau, Crocker Harris is a strict teacher, but he has his own principles. He calls Tableau to do extra work on the last day of the term. He had missed a day during the week. Tableau dislikes him for it, but he has respect for his teacher. He loves him because he is not a sadist. Crocker hates to be liked by others. Tableau thinks he had marked him down rather than up for taking extra work. Tableau daren't leave without his permission. His teacher is tinged with respect, not hatred. Next question. Does Frank seems to encourage Tableau? Yes. Students, Frank seems to encourage Tableau's comments on the Crocker Harris. He makes some comments about Crocker Harris, in between which incites Tableau to speak more and more about Crocker Harris. He also asks Tableau to repeat the words that Crocker Harris said to him. He wants Tableau to get carried away and go too far in his comments towards Crocker Harris. Next question. What do you gather about Crocker Harris from the play? Mr. Crocker Harris is a middle-aged school teacher. He is a strict teacher who has his own principle. He never does any favor or unfavor to his students. He gives what one deserves. He hates to be liked by others. He is dry from heart. His students are afraid of him, yet they don't dislike him. Their fear is tinged with respect, not hatred. So we see that he is strict but an ideal teacher. Thank you very much, students.